Sammy, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be planning out December 7th through the 13th in my hourly Plum paper planner. This is the 8.5 by 11. It's the big one. I thought I would start off by showing you the past couple weeks because for the past couple weeks I have not done a weekly plan with me. Just things have been busy and I really have only had enough time to kind of edit and upload one video a week, so other videos have taken priority. But let me show you what the past couple weeks have looked like. This is last week. This was using a Sammy Doodle kit. I really love how this turned out. It's just super cute, lots of reindeer. And it was just really nice to have, like, I think I've said this a couple times now, some shops are making stickers that fit this big planner and it is amazing. So sticker shops that do make kits to fit this planner that I know of include SammyDoodleDesigns, Alexandra Nicole Plans, and Ever Changing Plans has some kits as well. And actually I do have discount codes for all three of those shops, so if you're interested, check out the description below. And here is 2 weeks ago. This was the week of Thanksgiving. This was such a beautiful kit by Alexandra Nicole Plans, and I just really had fun with this one, all the different colors and shapes, and I sprinkled in with a few different a few different stickers from other places as well. So this was, I think, from an Erin Condren book, and this was from Plum paper, so just a couple extra things as well. And yeah, that was the week of Thanksgiving. Totally love this. I thought it turned out really pretty. All right, jumping into this week, what I have for this week, this is from SammyDoodleDesigns. This is a kit, I believe this is kit 10. And so this is a really pretty kit that came in the Golden Doodle subscription box. I have another video for that I will link, but I just thought this kit was super pretty and festive. And at this point, I'm like full Christmas. I'm gonna do like a Christmas spread, maybe not Christmas, but like holiday kind of theme this week. And then next week, the following week after this one we're planning is my birthday week. So I'm going to be doing more of kind of birthday colors with that one, with the kit that I picked. I don't know if that's how it was intended, but that's what I think about it. And again, here's all the pieces of the kit. And then obviously the week after that is going to be Christmas itself, and I can't wait to use that kit either. So very, very excited to use this. Let's go ahead and just get started. All right, let's actually get started with the thick washi this time. I think it was last week. Was it last week? No, I remember. Maybe it was the week before. There was a week where I forgot the thick washi and I was like, I don't like it. Oh, you know what I think it was? I think last week I almost forgot thick washi and I put it down. I wound up having to like rip up half of it because I'm like, no, I want the thick washi there. So I'm really liking this because it's a nice kind of backdrop to the holiday countdown stickers. So I'm liking that, and there's nothing really that has to go in there. I'm finding space for everything, you know, in either the sidebar or the hours, so it's nice to have that for decoration. I definitely would not have had space to do thick washi in something like a 7x9 planner because it just didn't have enough space for me. Just one of the many reasons I love this big planner. Some have commented on like using this slice tool. I really like it. The trick that I've found when using this is you do kind of got to get used to it, but to kind of use a level of scratch pressure. Like when I do it, I think just scratch the surface. And usually that works really well to slice it without cutting through your paper. Because if you are even a little heavy-handed, it will go straight through this paper. Now, I just love this plaid. I think that I had a skirt when I was probably in grade school that was the same pattern, like a Christmas skirt. And it was like one of my favorite things. I don't know, I find like patterns that remind me of clothing I had when I was a kid. And I'm like, yes, like that nostalgia kicks in and it's awesome. I could probably just leave this, but I'm just gonna trim it anyway because I'm feeling extra. So this candle I've got going here actually came out of an advent calendar that I'm getting to open every day. We kind of decided as a family, just the four of us, myself and my two boys, they are 12 and 14, that would be really fun this year to kind of surprise each other with advent calendars and then get to open them every day since we're stuck at home all day, all together anyway. We thought that might be kind of a cool way to mix things up and just celebrate. I don't know, just thought it'd be fun. So what we did is myself and my older son, we picked advent calendars for my husband and our younger son, and they obviously flip-flop. So we did that, and mine was these little tea candles, and every day it's a different scent, and it is just, it's super, super fun. This one today is, I think it's a lemon drop, they said. So it's kind of funny because I threw out accidentally the little paper that said what every day was, And my husband, he found a way to look it up online, but every day I'm like, what is this one? Because I have no idea. You can kind of tell though. I don't know that I would have pinpointed this as being lemon drop, but definitely citrusy, but I don't know that I would have guessed lemon. But it's blue, which wouldn't have clued you in either. So there we go. This is really pretty though. So tweezer saga continues. Let's move that. So my son did give me back my tweezers after he was done using them to build his keyboard, but they're just not the same. I don't know, they just don't quite, I don't know if you can see, they don't quite pinch all the way at the end. And it's enough irritation that I'm thinking about investing in new ones. I like paint with diamonds, and these actually came out of a kit from there. So I don't even know, I'm just gonna look online. I'm gonna see if I can find something similar, but it's not like I purchased these on their own. But in other news, I did get pretty much all my Christmas shopping done, which I'm feeling pretty good about. There have been years when I've been scrambling at the last minute, and it's always kind of stressful, but feeling good about this year. And I actually have most of it wrapped already, which is like a record for me. I'm usually a last minute wrapper. It sounds funny. But yeah, I'm like a Christmas Eve, sometime in the afternoon, I generally start wrapping presents. So it feels really good to be ahead of the game. I'd say it's, we gotta find these like little tiny silver linings to all this when we can. And I definitely have more time for things like wrapping presents on time instead of scrambling. It's been kind of great. And not just the presents, but like I got our tree up already, and it is decorated, and actually all the house decorations are up and the outside decorations are up. We've been blessed with some really great weather here in Minnesota, and it has just been nice. Like I feel more on top of my Christmas game this year than I ever have before. And I'd say that feels really good to not feel like scrambling or feel like I should be doing more. It's just been refreshing because I've never experienced that before. And I think that I'm gonna certainly try, I don't know how successful I'll be able to try to recreate it next year as well, because it has been great. Okay, so that is all the washi. Let's see. Oh, weekend banner, let's do that too. For sidebar, I'm going to be using this sheet, which seems to have all the stuff you kind of need for the sidebar. So you've got the long piece, you've got this pattern for down here that fits the this box really great, and then this one for up here, up top. I just scooched that around so much, I don't know that any of that made sense, but we'll just stick it on and then it will make sense. All right, so for this spot, I think I do want to cover this and put it with text from the kit that says this week. I just can't say what I want to put behind it. Maybe I'll do this yellow one, the tie-in from that. I'm getting kind of nervous. I'm gonna actually light one of these kit pages on fire. Like, just leave it to me that would actually happen with the candle sitting right there. It just smells so good. It's still here. It's like, there he is. So I'm gonna try to not light my desk on fire while we do this. I just like it so much, I could probably blow it out, but where's the adventure in that? Okay, so I like that better where it says this week. Now I can't decide if I wanna stick something like on top of this because it's this pattern, which is really pretty, but I kinda want some text there or a picture or something. Let me just see what I've got. All right, here's what I found. This is actually the freebie. That is my Bethany freebie from Alexandra Nicole Plans. And I love the sticker that says, you never know who you are inspiring. And it's green, so it kind of goes with the kit. But if you mention me in the comments when shopping Alexandra Nicole Plans, you will get this freebie. And it is one of my favorites. All right, I'm gonna move this because I don't trust myself, but it's still there. It's still there. I might have to blow it out at some point. Okay, let's do next the Christmas countdown days. And so where did I leave off with this week? 19 on the countdown. So yep, okay, 18 will continue for Monday. We'll just get these little guys in. This is what I mean, where it's like a nice background for this Christmas countdown. I just think that looks really cool to have it on the thick washi. All right, speaking of shopping and presents and stuff, I actually did not do a lot of Black Friday shopping. I did a little bit, but I did more Cyber Monday shopping than anything. My husband and I have this tradition where on Cyber Monday, we like to go to a restaurant and we get dessert and coffee and we kind of have a little date. We bring our laptops, and on Cyber Monday, we just online, we finished doing all of our Christmas shopping for everyone in the family. Like if there's anyone, loose ends to wrap up or things like that. Usually it's most of the Christmas shopping, to be honest. It's usually the bulk of it, so that we're not like stressing out if we can't get it done before then. And also it's plenty of time for things to ship after. But that tradition has been really fun. Obviously this year we didn't go to a restaurant because restaurants are not a thing in Minnesota right now. You can do takeout, but we're doing like, they're calling it like a pause. So it means no restaurants, no youth sports due to COVID, all of that. So we did not go to a restaurant, but we did order some takeout. We had sushi, and we still just kind of went in our bedroom and sat on the floor and had our laptops and went through and ordered the rest of the Christmas presents. So that was really nice. So we did more Cyber Monday really than Black Friday. But I'm curious, let me know in the comments below. Did you go shopping for Black Friday? And if so, what'd you get? Get any good deals? Anything you're excited about? Planner stuff? I did grab a few things from some planner shops, but really mostly it was just Christmas present shopping on Cyber Monday. I'm trying to fluff through all of these stickers here to decide what I want to do next. I think I'm just going to do the routine stuff. So let's start with just that trash day on Monday. Super simple. And actually it is trash and recycle. So I'm going to put this one in right down here. And Sammy Doodle is the only shop that I've seen that's done this. It's a combo sticker with both trash and recycle on it, and I love that so much. Do one of these, and then I have these little trash day scripts from Simply Smith stickers. So we'll just kind of stick these on here together. It's such a little thing, but I honestly do forget trash day if I don't have this on here. It's facts. Okay, so next let's do meal planning on Wednesday. Just gonna use another one of the same of these guys. I'm just gonna write it in. I don't know that I have a script for that. And from the Sammy Doodle icon shop, I'm gonna grab this little, it looks like a little grocery list to me. Oh, you know what? Yeah, let's do that. Couldn't decide if I wanted that one or the little grocery bag. Okay, and then I've got laundry on Thursday and Friday, because laundry is a thing that happens every week, unfortunately. And Heather and I are recording the I Go You Go podcast on Saturday again. We do have one we're recording tomorrow too, so I'm excited for that. Oh, and then I've also been enjoying these order grocery stickers from Sammy Doodle. I'm gonna stick that on for, let's see, let's do that. Oh, Friday, that's what I want to do. I definitely want to do this Friday because I've been playing with different delivery days lately for our groceries. We do shipped, and so far it's been working out great. Like today is Friday evening, and I had ordered groceries today this morning to be delivered between 1 and 2, and it was the first time in forever that they actually had like everything that I ordered. Like there was only maybe 1 or 2 things missing, and usually it's like every other thing that the store is out of. So I'm like hoping that it wasn't just a weird fluke thing and it's a Friday thing, and I hope that I'm onto something. So I'm gonna put a little checkbox here too, because otherwise I probably won't do it. Checkboxes run my life. Okay, that's looking good. I think I'm going to next go in and do appointments and our dinner plans, and then this is about done. All right, so I really like how this came together. All of the patterns just work together so well. And I think I've said this before with Sammy Doodles Designs, is that these are not patterns I would have ever picked, but they just work so well. She has such a really cool eye for things like this, and I am loving it so much. So let's do a little tour. Again, the kit and several of the stickers are from SammyDoodleDesigns, including, let's see, these film edit upload stickers. We also have the ordered groceries is Sammy Doodle, the little dumbbells are, as well as this trash down here and all of the Christmas countdown. I have some Simply Smith stickers on here as well. Those are the little fork and spoon, also the little laundry baskets, and plan next week, as well as this little headset. I have a couple Monarch Plan stickers on here as well. That is a record podcast font and our script sticker, and then also the workout stickers here and here and here. And then also Alexandra Nicole Plan. So that is the cleaning day, and then also the You Never Know Who You Are Inspiring stickers. And both of these came from that Bethany freebie I mentioned earlier. So that is this week's plan with me. I hope you're having an awesome day wherever you are, and stay safe, and we will chat soon. Bye guys.